Hi, this video is one in a series of videos on student misconceptions regarding ratios and proportions. In this series, we will talk about a common misconception that occurs when students are given a fraction and then asked to find a ratio based on the given fraction. Let us see a few examples of this. So in this question, it is given that 1/4 of Rajesh's pets are parrots. The ratio of parrots to fish is asked in the question. What would kids normally do in this case? Let us see some data on this. So the data shows us that out of 16,333 attempts of this question, around 56% students are choosing option A, while only around 24% are choosing option C. Why is this? Let's see the question again. So from this question we can see that if the fraction of parrots is 1/4 of the total, the fraction of fish would be 3/4. The ratio would then be 1/4:3/4 or 1:3. However, students do not see this distinction and simply convert the given fraction into a ratio. However, to draw the conclusion that this is a prevalent misconception, let us take another example of the same type. Now look at this sample question. The fraction of students who use the internet is given in the question. Then we are asked the ratio of those students who use internet to those who don't. The data shows us that out of 26,305 students who attempted this question, 23% chose the right answer, while nearly 54% chose the option which reflects the misconception we had previously discussed. Now, how do we remediate this? Teachers must first ensure that students know the difference between part-to-part and part-to-whole comparisons. Fractions and ratios often differ in this respect. For example, fractions are mostly part-to-whole comparisons, whereas ratios could be comparisons of anything. Let's go back to the second question that we discussed. Here, we could resolve the issue by restating the word problem. For example, here we can say that if the fraction of students who use internet is 3/5, then we can say for every 5 students, 3 use internet. So that means out of 5 students, 2 do not use internet, and then we can say that for every 3 students who use internet, there are 2 who don't. Hence the ratio of the students who use internet to those who don't is 3:2. So this is one of the ways in which we can make the problem easier to understand. There are also other methods to clear this misconception, such as directly stating the fraction which is a comparison to the whole, and then dividing the denominator to reflect the part-to-part comparison. This is of course entirely up to the discretion of the individual teacher and his or her teaching methods. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped.